What would you do if you won £1 billion? If I won $1 billion, I would buy a really big house. No. Many big houses. I would have the best things. I'd travel the world. I would live in luxury. I would really, live it up, enjoy everything I can with the money I've got. What would you do if you won £1 billion? Me, I would feed the hungry, clothe the poor. I would build hospitals. I would build schools for the poor, and I would help others less fortunate than me. Now, don't get me wrong. I would do those things as well. I would do them first. Then I would buy all the nice things, after helping all the people. Hi everybody, welcome back. Sorry it's been so long. In this video, I will help you understand how you can use conditionals. There are different types of conditionals. Some are generally true, some are possible or likely, others are unlikely, and others are impossible. Conditionals describe a result of a certain condition. The if clause tells you the condition. For example, if you attend lessons, and the main clause tells you the result. For example, you will improve your English. The order of the clauses does not change the meaning. It can be, if you attend lessons, you will improve your English, or you will improve your English if you attend lessons. In my videos, I show you how you can use grammar such as conditionals, vocabulary, expressions, and other useful language to help you communicate with others, pass your English exam, get a better job, or just to generally improve your level of English. I really want these videos to be interactive because the best way to learn English is to put into practice what you learn. That is why in most of my videos there are tasks that you can do. And stay tuned because there will be some tasks in this video as well. In this video, we're going to look at the zero conditional, first conditional, and the second conditional. And after covering each conditional, I'm going to give you some tasks because I want you to practice using these conditionals. Let's start with the zero conditional. The zero conditional is to talk about things that are generally true, especially for laws and rules. If I eat too much, I put on weight. I know a lot about that one. It gets dark if you switch off the lights. What are you doing? Switch them back on again. When the sun shines, it gets bright. What are you doing instead of the lamps? I meant the sun. Thank you. The structure is if, when plus present simple and then present simple again in the main clause. Now it's your turn. Complete these sentences using the zero conditional. If I drink too much coffee, ice melts if. We use the first conditional to talk about future situations we believe are real or possible. For example, if it is sunny tomorrow, we'll go to the park. Looking at the weather today, it doesn't look as if it's going to be sunny tomorrow. Manchester City will be champions if they win. Haven't they already won? My apologies to Manchester United fans. And my sincere condolences to those who support Arsenal. When I finish school, I'll get the bus home. In the first conditional, the structure is if, when plus present simple, and then will plus infinitive in the main clause. Now it's your turn again. Complete these sentences using the first conditional. If it doesn't rain tomorrow, when I finish work, write your answers in the comments section below. It is also common to use this structure with unless, as long as, as soon as, and in case instead of if. Here are some more examples. I'll come as soon as the class finishes. I don't want to stay in Dubai unless I get a well-paid job. I'll WhatsApp you the code in case you forget. You can play your video game as long as you finish your homework. Just remember to use this conditional when talking about possible situations in the future. The second conditional is used to imagine present or future situations that are unlikely in reality. Here are some examples. If we had a larger living room, we could get a pool table. If I worked part-time, I'd enroll onto a course. I wouldn't worry if I were you. But worry about what? The structure is usually if plus the past simple, then would plus infinitive in the main clause. Be careful, we use would in the main clause, not in the conditional clause. So for example, if you decided to travel, you would have to get tested. Not if you would decide to travel. When if is followed by the verb be, it is grammatically correct to say if I were, if she were, if he were, or if it were. However, it is also common to hear these structures with was, especially in the he, she form. Here are some more examples. If I were you, I wouldn't care about what they think. If she was Prime Minister, she would do a much better job than you know who. He would exercise more if he joined the gym. He's so lazy. Remember, these are imagined, unreal situations. If I had 1 million subscribers, I would be rich and famous. It's your turn again. Complete these sentences using the second conditional. If we had a garden, if I won a lot of money, she would travel more. Don't forget to leave your answers in the comments section below. Like always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It's very important for you to try and make your own sentences. Practice using the conditionals. The only way you will learn is by practicing what you learn. Use the conditionals to talk about things that are generally true. Use them to talk about likely future situations, and use them to talk about unlikely situations in the future or the present. See you again very soon. Until next time, bye-bye.